Today, we delve into the world of the ancient humans and their way of life. Did you ever wonder how they lived? What they ate? What kind of shelter they lived in? This is the perfect video for you. The story of human evolution dates back to 6 million years. From hominids to the Homo sapiens, our ancestors left a trail of their lifestyle which we are still discovering today. Our early ancestors were hunter-gatherers who used tools made of wood and stone. They lived in caves and formed communities. The food pattern of our ancestors was quite different from ours. Their diet consisted of fruits, nuts, vegetables, and of course meat. They followed the rule of hunting and gathering. Meat was a luxury, and a successful hunt meant a good feast that they'd happily share. As mentioned before, our ancestors lived in caves. But as time passed, they learned to build shelters using mud, straw, and other natural resources available to them. They formed communities and lived in groups, which helped them survive the harsh environments. The ancient humans took clothing very seriously. They used animal hides and furs to protect themselves from the cold. The hides were also used for making tents, which were used during migration. Some tribes painted their bodies, while others wore jewelry made of bones and shells. Our ancestors were skilled in making tools for hunting and farming. They used stones to make knives and spears, which were used for self-defense and hunting. They also developed technology such as the wheel and the plow, which helped them in farming. Our ancestors were social beings. They lived in groups and interacted with each other. They learned to communicate using sounds and gestures. They had a system of bartering, where one tribe would trade goods with another tribe. They also had a sense of spirituality, and their rituals involved worshipping the gods of their time. As time passed, our ancestors continued to evolve and develop new technologies. They learned to cultivate crops and domesticate animals, which allowed them to settle in one place and form communities. With the rise of agriculture, they were able to produce surplus food, which led to the growth of trade and commerce. They also developed writing systems, which allowed them to record their history and pass down knowledge to future generations. These advancements laid the foundation for the civilizations that would emerge in the centuries to come. As we have seen, the ancient humans lived a hard but fulfilling life. They lived in harmony with nature and developed various skills to survive. Through this video, we hope to inspire and educate people to learn more about our past and how it can shape our future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.